Welcome in, y'all. I'm Salon Diva V, and the place to be, my garden. So today we are going to be planting some sweet potato slips into this container right here. I'm just adding in some compost. I already have the soil in here. I'm gonna get that mixed up. As y'all can see, the gloves don't really do no good because the fingernails come through, but it's okay. Good thing I'm not scared to put my hands in the dirt, right? Right. All right. The first slip I have is this one. This was growing in, and it does have some roots on it. This was growing in my worm bin. So I'm just going to take that and put him right here. And I hope I'm not in the way again. Right there. And this one is like brand new. It don't even have no roots on it. We'll try it and see. Let's see. Okay, so I have these. I'm gonna put that up. So I'm gonna take this one. No, his roots are long, so put him in there, right there. Take another one. His roots are long also. Put him in there, like that. This might just be, I just thought about it. This might be enough for this container. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Should I put one in here for good measure? No. I'm gonna put these in another pot. So that's 6 in here. Maybe I should put one in the middle. Put him in the middle. That way they'll give them some room to grow more sweet potatoes. All right, so that is what the sweet potato bed is looking like. And we do have some more sweet potato slips up in here that needs to be pulled in a new home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the sweet potatoes that I'm using for slips out of here and put them in this container. It already has holes in it, and I'm just going to use this one for the sweet potato slips. And I can fill this up and use it for actually growing the sweet potatoes. And they have ants in here, of course. Put this one all right there. All right. So this is all of my sweet potato slips. And what I'm going to do is, this was actually growing sweet potatoes. I probably could have left it alone. All right. We're going to fill this up with some more soil and put our slips in here. All right. Okay. That's what his sprinkler got a mind of his own. So I had peat moss in here originally. Then I added the living earth soil, and now I'm about to add some of this living earth compost in here. And we're gonna mix that up, and then put our sweet potato seeds in here. Starts. Ideally, I would want this to be the soil higher than this, but to grow more potatoes, but that's gonna have to do for right now. I don't want it to be growing in a bed of compost. Okay, so I have my soil all ready to go, and I'm just going to take my slips and try not to get drenched by oh good lord, by the sprinkler system that decided to get decided the water wanted to be even taller or spread out more. Okay, let's put one right here. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm getting wet, the phone getting wet. All right, let's put one right here. We're gonna put one right here, and I'm kind of rushing y'all because the phone done died on me twice. This sprinkler is tearing me up with this cold water hitting my back. Okay, so here is the sweet potatoes over in this bed. They are all in, and the ones over here in this bed all done. And what I think I'm gonna do is take take and cover these up just for today. This is 70% shade cloth. So this is 70% shade cloth, and I'm gonna put it on both of these. All right, just like that. And guys, I also came over here and I planted some cucumbers, and I also moved those I moved the garlic closer to where the cucumbers and the peas are. So that's what that looks like. I put some compost in there and planted the cucumbers, and then put some soil on top, and then put the mulch on top. And I also put some more compost around these plants as well, just to see if the compost makes a difference in this bed. So once the cucumbers and the peas start vining up, they can vine on this side of the cowl panel, or the trellis, whatever you want to call it. All right, y'all, that is it for today. It's about 11 o'clock. It is scorching out here. And I'm going to put the cap back on the what's the name of these things? The cap back on the worms, and push them underneath, back underneath here. I opened it up so that soil would dry out because it was getting a little bit too wet. So that's done. And all right, y'all, that concludes the end of this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, share me with your family and your friends. Go ahead and check out my other channel. It's called @Salon Diva V. Well, that's what you type in, @Salon Diva V. Oh my gosh, are they fighting? Y'all see, they just came out making all that noise. Maybe they're fighting. But anyway, yeah. Share me with your family and your friends. And check out my other social media profiles. And until I see you guys in the next video, I'm Salon Diva V, in the place to be, y'all. My garden, you know what it is. Peace.